Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads. Sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.